Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can save your MS Word document as a PDF file. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to save your MS Word document as a PDF file, it's actually pretty easy. Just follow what I'm gonna do. So for the first step, I want you to go to the Files tab at the top. And then go to the Save As section, since this is where we will be able to save our document. And then here, just select where you want your file to be saved on your computer. For example, if you just want it to be saved on your File Explorer, then just select this option. And after that, your File Explorer will now be opened, so just go to the exact directory where you want your file to be saved. In my case, I will just save it to my Documents directory. And once you're on the saving directory, you can now name your file depending on what you want, but make sure to not change or modify the file type. Now, to save this file as a PDF instead of Docs, just click this File Type Selector option right here. And then you will now see many different file type options to select for this file to be saved, but since we want it to be saved as a PDF, this is what we will select. And after selecting, the file will now be set to be saved as a PDF, and you can also notice that the file type indicator on the name will also be changed based on what we've selected, so you can now save it. And after that, it's done. Congratulations, your Word file have now been saved as a PDF just like that. And so that's just how you do it, guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.